Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. Hey you guys, I have a small package from two shops. This first one is from Simply Gilded, and the next one I'm going to show you, it's a new shop to me, so I'll add the clip over here, okay? And let me show you what I got from Simply Gilded. Okay, let's take a look. This is a tiny order, you guys. I don't remember. Okay. I don't remember if this was Black Friday. I'm guessing it is because all of this stuff that I've been showing you in this Planmas, which I haven't really planned yet. I mean, yes, I have planned, but I haven't shown you yet. These orders are from Black Friday, so let's take a look. I don't remember ordering Washi. Okay. All right, so the first item here, you guys, let's see. I saw this charm. It must have been Black Friday because yeah, I got some type of discount. And oh my goodness, when I saw this charm I was like, oh, yes, I'm gonna get it. Oh, this is heavy. Like, this is like really metal charms, like real metal charms, that's what I mean. So it comes with a heart, a cupcake. Oh, so precious. This girl, I forgot her name, but I think she's the main character, right? I don't know. And a stack of macaroons, which I actually don't like. I mean, they're kind of cute, but they don't taste good. And I had the expensive ones and I had cheaper ones from like not the drugstore, from the grocery store, and still no. So yeah, they're very cute. I thought that I could probably split this and add them to different planners, or keep it like this. I'm not gonna use this for my keys. I'm not gonna use it for my keys. I'm gonna use this for my planner. I don't know what this is, so let's put that over there. I ordered this bow, and oh, so cute. I just thought it was super cute. I only have one bow. Let me show you. It's this one. I only have this brown one, and I just wanted something cute, something in pink, purple. Oh, my camera is gonna move because my charm is on the arm, but I thought it was precious. I really like it. Okay, you guys, so this washi, I did not order this, so I don't know if they were giving out a free set of washi with the order. I'm not sure actually, so let's take a look. So I just checked my invoice, and yeah, no, I didn't purchase this. Oh, so this is 3 little washi rolls. Let's see. If there's 3 of this, I'm gonna share with my cousin. All right, let's take a look. This looks like 3 different rolls, you guys, but it's not. It's only 1 roll. Wow, you guys, with these nails, I can't do anything. Oh, so they're little headers, I think. Yep. Oh, look. Is this perforated? Yep. Awesome. Are this separated too? No. Okay, so this is how it looks like. They're headers like that. Cool. I don't have anything like this, and yeah, this is like a matte black with the copper foil, rose gold foil. Oh, nice. I don't have anything like this, so that's cool. Like it. All right, so I don't know why I got that, but I did not purchase that, so must have been a freebie. Now, the main item that I wanted, you guys, before I go into the stickers, let me show you this beauty. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty this is. Oh. This is one of those jumbo bow clips. Oh, look how pretty. This is so cute. Wow, this is gorgeous. This is a gorgeous bow. Awesome. I really like this color. It's a very cute pink. All right. So that was the main item that I wanted. This clip. And let me show you the stickers I got. So every time you order stickers, they come in one of these little folders or envelopes. I got another bow. This is a patch. Oh, so cute. I don't know where I'm gonna put this one, but I've been eyeing this patch for the longest time. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna get it this time. Yeah. Look at how pretty that is. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Love that. And I got just a whole bunch of micro bows. So these tiny ones come in the kits. These ones are Christmas plaid and pink and plaid. And you have the Christmas headers. You have this different color here. Oh, I got two of those. I don't know. Oh, because one is gold and one is silver. Okay, so this is the silver foil. This is the gold one. Then you get this headers, the match. That's the silver. This is the gold. And then we have the Christmas colors with the matching. Okay, so this is how it comes, like that. And then let me see. This one's the gold one. That. And then this one and that. And this one and that. Okay. So besides that set, I purchased the little micro bows in black and white. And these ones have a gold foil around it. These are so cute for checklist or just bullet points or, you know, for anything. These are the freebies. This is a sampler and a little bow. Now I purchased, no, I did not purchase this. This is another freebie. And it comes with a journaling card, which is beautiful. I actually wanted to get, they had a Happy New Year or a New Year set. It was sold out by the time I got on the website. But yeah, that was cute. So I purchased a couple of sheets of the ball seals because I want to make tabs and things like that for my new planners. So this pink plaid. Then I got this Christmas one, vintage plaid. And of course, when I saw this once, I was like, oh yeah, this leopard is so pretty. And then this is the giraffe. I don't know what that is. And the zebra. So yeah. This is my small haul, you guys. I haven't purchased from Simply Gilded in a while. And why are these ones small and these ones are big? I wanted the bigger ones. How do I know which ones are big and which ones are small? Oh, that sucks because I wanted this ones. I wanted the bigger ones. Okay, well, it's okay. I didn't know if they had different sizes. I actually thought that they were all this size, the bigger size. Okay, next time I order, I need to check. Oh, and there's even smaller like this. Okay, all right, you guys. So this is my, look how tiny these ones are. Super tiny, tiny, tiny. But I really like these ones. I think I'm gonna share with my cousin. Maybe I'll send her. If she doesn't have any of the micros, I'll send her a couple, a few. All right, you guys. So this is my small Simply Gilded order. I actually placed another order for something else. I'm gonna get the mystery bundle, and I purchased the one with the album. So I know I'm going crazy. All right, you guys. So stay tuned. I have another clip for another shop. Okay. See you in a bit. This is a new shop to me, you guys. This actually is a gift from my daughter, but she said that I could go ahead and open it, and when I do, I need to send her a picture because she wants to know what's inside. So let me take a look and see what the name of the shop is. So this package is from Unicorn Eclipse. And if I, when I find the link, you guys, I'll put it for you, okay? I'll link it for you. Okay, there you go. So let me take a look and make sure that there's no info here. There is. There you go. Okay, my daughter got me a couple of, I think she got me a surprise bundle. And let's take a look. Yeah, surprise. So this is the surprise bundle here. And I'm not sure exactly how much she spent. This is a Christmas gift. And there you go. I think it's two sisters. I think that's what she was telling me, that this shop is run by two sisters. So I asked her for die cuts. And look at this gorgeous cup. So pretty. It's so like rainbow and I don't know, it gives me like the 80s vibe also. Oh, look at the snow globe. Beautiful. This is a toaster. Oh, the cup. Yes, yes, yes. I wanted this one too. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Here's their info, you guys. So they do have Instagram. Instagram is unicorn.eclipse. They have TikTok, email, and their website. All right, you guys. And I'll leave you their information below, okay? So the cup. Oh, that's cute. And I think this is their little logo here, maybe. All right, so this is a set of die cuts. And let's take a look. Ooh, this feels kind of heavy, you guys. There you go. Ooh. All right. Let me show you here. It has a small sticky. Oh, this is posted. Okay, awesome. So we know they're gonna stick for sure. And this is a this is a laundromat. We don't go to the laundromat. We have a washer and dryer at home. But back home in San Francisco, everyone goes to the laundromat because hardly anyone back then, I don't know now, hardly anyone had a washer and dryer at home. So that's cute. I think I'm gonna share some of this with my cousin too, because I think that she would get a kick out of those. Now there's a memo pad, and this looks like a 4x6. Yeah. So the message from to, cancel, send. That's cute. Cute, cute, cute. And we have, let's see. This one is a pack of stickers or die cuts. I'm not sure. So this is a Christmas looking. So here's a boot and a popsicle with diamonds and clouds. Their art. Oh, so this is original art. This is the sisters do this. Then we have a sheet of stickers. They're like on fire. They're all orange. Oh, look at this coffee teapot. And the boots. This is like a camp scenery kind of thing. Yeah, camping. All right, and the last thing we have here is a grocery list. So we can put this on our fridge. That's cute. And actually, if I trim this, I can add them to my planner, to my daily, and just do a checklist. Oh yeah, you can do that too. All right. Okay, you guys, so we have a big notepad, a medium-sized one, a small one, a sheet of stickers, some die cuts, and then this is that other set of die cuts. So cute, cute, cute. And what I like about this shop is that they do all of their art. That is so cute. So this is my first order ever from Unicorn Eclipse. And this is a gift from my daughter. Thank you, honey bunny. And yeah, so go check them out. I'll leave you their information below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this quick unboxing, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.